bucktail tail. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm making a replacement for my lost trout swim bait. Unfortunately, I lost my first swim bait build while filming the last video. Now I was getting ready to go on vacation, so I kind of threw this one together, and I changed up a few things on this swim bait, specifically the coloring, and I also put a bucktail fiber tail on it. I've got some underwater footage of it, and it turned out great. I hope you enjoy this build. So here's the bait so far. I've got a slot cut in for putting in a tail. I'm actually going to do a special tail today. I'm going to try something different. So here's the bait so far. It's sealed, ready to go, weight balanced. But today, I'm going to do a bucktail tail. Got some in that hole. There you go. I'm just bringing it up. First, we're just clipping it to size. Alright, we're going to paint it using an opaque white. Now we're going to the next coat. We're going to use the Candy 2O Tequila Yellow. We're going to mix that with a balancing clear. Alright, we're hitting the bottom with a pearl white. Two baits on the drying rack. That's right, my next video will be about that second bait. Be sure and stay tuned for this new bait. It's a new type of bait that you haven't seen before, and it turned out pretty good for the prototype. Alright, trying out the Smallmouth Swimbait. Ah, I got my finger. Nope, I got my ring. Oh my goodness. How does this happen? Whew, that could have been bad. Alright. Trying out that guy. Good. Nice slow sinking. Okay, we're gonna try it. Oh, it's got a really good swimming action. Wow. See if we can go slower and get it. Wow. This is way better than the trout lure. Look at that. That's awesome. Give it a little bit to get down some. Wow, even fast it comes in good. Let's get that.